In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tackle and resolve all those pesky Google Chrome updating issues you might encounter. If you've ever found yourself frustrated because Chrome just won't update, don't worry, you're not alone, and we're here to help you navigate through the process smoothly. First, let's start by ensuring that you have a stable internet connection. A dropped or weak connection is one of the most common causes of failed updates, so double-check this before moving on. Ensure that your Wi-Fi is working or your internet cable is securely plugged in. Once you have confirmed your internet is stable, the next step is to give your computer a quick restart. This simple action can help solve a variety of system issues, including those that affect the updating process. It's always a good idea to save any open work, close your applications, and restart your computer fully. After your computer has rebooted, open Google Chrome. It's essential to first check if Chrome is set to update automatically. To do this, click on the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of your browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and scroll down to find About Chrome. By clicking here, Chrome will automatically attempt to check for updates and install them. If the update process begins, let it complete, then restart your browser once more. In cases where Chrome does not automatically update, or if you're getting error messages, it's time to consider manually installing the updates. Head to the official Chrome website to download the latest version directly. Once downloaded, run the installer, and it will replace the old version with the new one without deleting any of your settings or bookmarks. In situations where this still doesn't resolve the issue, excessive cache or corrupted data might be at play. Back in Chrome's settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. Here, you can choose to clean up your cached images and files. This action can help free up space and eliminate any corrupt cache files that might be causing the update block. Lastly, if all else fails, consider uninstalling Chrome entirely and then reinstalling it. Before you do this, make sure you sync your bookmarks and settings by logging into your Google account in Chrome. To uninstall, go to your computer's control panel or settings, locate Chrome, and follow the prompts to remove it. Afterward, download the latest installer from the official site and install it afresh. There you have it, just a few straightforward steps to overcome those updating woes. We hope this guide has been helpful, and if you follow along carefully, you should have a fully updated Chrome running in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.